For thousands of years, Europe has been the stage for some of humanity's greatest triumphs and its darkest disasters. Empires have risen from tiny settlements. Kingdoms have crumbled beneath the weight of war. Plagues have swept across the continent, wiping out millions. Brave explorers have sailed into the unknown, while brilliant thinkers have completely changed the way we see the world. From ancient tribes and mighty empires to medieval castles, bloody battlefields, powerful monarchs, industrial revolutions, and modern democracies, Europe has seen just about everything. Blimey, it's been one proper roller coaster. So grab yourself a brew, settle in, and let's travel across thousands of years to uncover the entire history of Europe. Our journey begins long before written history. Around 45,000 years ago, the first modern humans entered Europe. They weren't building cities or kingdoms just yet. Life was brutally simple. Small groups wandered through vast forests and icy plains, hunting mammoths, woolly rhinoceroses, giant deer, and bison. The Ice Age shaped nearly everything. Massive glaciers covered much of northern Europe, forcing people to migrate south whenever temperatures dropped. Survival wasn't guaranteed. Every single day was a battle against hunger, freezing weather, and dangerous predators. Yet these early Europeans were incredibly clever. They carved beautiful figures from ivory, painted remarkable artwork deep inside caves, and developed tools from stone, bone, and wood. Even tens of thousands of years later, their artwork still leaves archaeologists scratching their heads in amazement. As the Ice Age slowly came to an end around 12,000 years ago, Europe began to transform. Forests spread across the landscape. Rivers grew wider. Wildlife changed, and so did human life. People slowly stopped wandering quite so much. They settled near rivers and fertile land, fishing, farming, and raising animals instead of constantly hunting. This was the Neolithic Revolution. For the first time, villages, because once people settled down, everything changed. Communities grew larger, trade expanded, skills improved, society became more organized, and eventually, civilization emerged. Around 3200 BC, across the islands and coastlines of the Mediterranean, remarkable cultures began flourishing. One of the earliest great European civilizations appeared on the island of Crete, the Minoans. Their enormous palaces featured colorful frescoes, sophisticated drainage systems, grand courtyards, and thriving trade networks stretching across the eastern Mediterranean. Their ships carried olive oil, pottery, wine, and precious goods between distant lands. They were prosperous, artistic, and surprisingly advanced for their time. But nothing lasts forever. Around 1450 BC, the Minoan civilization mysteriously declined. Historians still debate exactly why. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, invasions, or perhaps a combination of all three may have brought about their downfall.